Hi, I'm Alani, and this video is about staking your crypto. So what is staking? Staking cryptocurrencies is when you commit your crypto assets to support a blockchain network to confirm transactions while earning rewards in return. And these rewards could be additional cryptocurrency. As a staking participant, you pledge your coins to the cryptocurrency protocol. The protocol chooses you as a validator to confirm blocks of transactions. The more coins you pledge, the more likely you are to be chosen as a validator. Every time a block is added to the blockchain, new cryptocurrency coins are minted. These coins are distributed as staking rewards to that block's validator, in this case, you. The rewards are usually the same cryptocurrency that you have staked, although some blockchains use a different type of cryptocurrency for rewards. If you want to stake crypto, you need to own a cryptocurrency that uses the proof of stake model. Then you can choose the amount you want to stake. You can do this through many popular cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase, Crypto.com, Gate.io, Binance, Hotbit, and more. Your coins are still in your possession when you stake them. You're essentially putting them to work, and you're free to unstake them later if you want to trade them. The unstaking process, however, may not be immediate, and with some cryptocurrencies, you're required to stake coins for a minimum amount of time, usually 3 months. Stay tuned.